Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the best squash casserole. This is a Southern classic and you are going to love my version of yellow squash casserole. Let's head on over to the stove and get started. Get a tablespoon of canola oil heating in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then you'll need 3 pounds of sliced yellow squash. Slide those on into the skillet. And then you'll also need 1 diced white onion. And you'll want to season this with 1 teaspoon of salt. And get it cooking. You'll want to let this cook, stirring frequently until the squash just barely starts to soften and all of the liquids have been released. The squash will finish cooking in the oven, so you'll only want to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes and just barely get that squash tender. Make sure you drain this really well and transfer it all back to a mixing bowl. In another mixing bowl, we're going to stir together 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 egg, a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix that all together. Then we're going to fold in our par-cooked squash. Just want to scoop that all in and be careful to gently fold it so that we don't tear up our pieces of squash. Then we're going to transfer this all to a lightly greased 9x9 baking dish. Just scoop it all in there with all of those juices and spread it out into an even layer. Then we're going to make my favorite part, a little crumbly topping to go on top. You'll need 1 whole sleeve of crushed Ritz crackers, and to that you'll add a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and 2 tablespoons of melted salted butter. You want to give this a quick toss. It should be nice and crumbly. Then we're going to sprinkle this right over the top of our squash. I'm telling you, this is the best part of the whole casserole. You want to just spread it out so it's in a nice even layer to coat the top. Then we're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the top just starts to brown. And that's it. You have yourself a delicious squash casserole. You are ready to eat. Serve this up hot. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.